Subaru of Las Vegas is where I'm going today. And I'm going to pick up some oil and then head back out of here. It's a Friday in Las Vegas, so it's kind of crazy. Oh, they got lots of Subarus. Holy looly. Lots of Subarus.